Alright, so here's how to fix Google Chrome slow download speed. Alright, so let's get started. First of all you're gonna do, simply I will show you a couple of methods to enhance or boost the download speed. So first thing first, you need to go to the search bar and search for CMD, and you need to right click on your mouse to find out this run as administrator button. Then you need to open it up and then type in IP config, then space, then slash, and you need to type in slash DNS and hit enter. And this is one of the method you can do. Then after that you can simply go and search for settings. All right, like that. And then from here you need to go to the control panel. So you can simply type on control panel. All right, here is the control panel. And then from here you need to go to the network and internet, tap on that, and then from here network sharing center. All right, then Ethernet. Then you need to tap on the properties, and then from here you need to select the Internet Protocol version 4, and then you need to again tap on the properties, and then you can simply tap on this option, use the following DNS server. So from here you can type in 1 1 1 and 1, and for the alternative DNS you need to write in 1001. That's it, and then simply tap on OK and close it up. So I think this will end up boosting your slow download speed to higher. Then again you can do another thing which can be enhance your download speed, which is like going to the Chrome browser, and then from here you need to type in Chrome. Then like this you need to type in your search bar and then hit enter. And then from here you need to search a flag like parallel downloading. You need to enable it, and there you have it. So that's how you can simply fix the Google Chrome slow download speed. So I think it might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not, and we'll see you next time.